Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna show you how to check Instagram QR code. Open your Instagram, go to your profile, tap on share profile. You can see here Instagram QR code is comes. You can share it by clicking on share profile. You can also copy link or download it. Okay, if you want to scan someone other's QR code, you can just tap on the corner, top right corner. See, the scanner is open. Now scan others QR code and you can see the other person profile is directly open here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.